Hi there, students. To deplore, a verb. Deplorable, an adjective. Deplorably, the adverb. Okay, so to deplore is to say or think that something is really, really bad. So I deplore all violence. Attitudes like this should be deplored. The quality of his writing is deplorable. Yeah, when I was a kid, my writing was deplorable. It's absolutely terrible. Very, very, very bad. And to deplore, to think that something is really, really bad, is really terrible. Okay, so you if you deplore something, you express or you feel strong disapproval. You want to condemn it. Yeah. So I deplore what the government has done to this. Yeah. I deplore all type of violence. I think what they have done is deplorable. Yeah, is lamentable, is woeful. So yeah, the centre of the city is in a deplorable state as the dustbin men have been on strike for 2 weeks. The conditions in the refugee camp were absolutely deplorable. Okay, notice deplorable is an extreme. His deplorable behaviour made everybody very angry. Yeah, the jokes that he told showed a deplorable lack of tact. So deplorable, terrible, dreadful, disastrous. Yeah, the miners have to work under deplorable conditions. Yeah, they're really, really terrible. Something that's deplorable, something that's disgraceful. It's scandalous. It's reprehensible. Yeah. Okay, it's not something that is acceptable. Yeah, it would be deplorable if they refused to pay you. It's deplorable that we continue to cut down huge swathes of the Amazon jungle. So to deplore, to express disapproval and regret about something. Yeah. Okay. I deplore the way the police acted in this case. Okay. So to deplore, to feel very sad about, or to condemn, to show extremely strong disapproval of something, and then something that's deplorable, something that deserves condemnation. It's shockingly bad. It's absolutely wretched. Yeah. The children were treated deplorably. Maybe they have deplorable manners. Yeah. Okay. So to deplore is to say or think that something is really, really, really bad, to express strong disapproval, to abhor something. Yeah, something is deplorable is something that you abhor. If something is deplorable, it's shockingly bad quality. Yeah, it's not just bad, it's a lot worse than bad. It's absolutely wretched. Yeah. So to deplore or deplorable, this is a very strong adjective. Yeah, this is deplorably bad. Okay, it deserves contempt. Yeah, the deplorable living conditions within the camps. Yeah, so if you say that you deplore something, you think it's wrong, you think it's immoral. Yeah, it's something that you condemn, you denounce it very strongly because it's deplorable, it's distressing, it's dreadful, it's sad. Yeah, it's so bad, it's just totally unacceptable. Okay, to deplore, formality. I deplore this. This is deplorable. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think use anywhere, but it's a little bit over on the formal side. And then as to origin, okay, it comes through French deplorer, from Latin deplorare, day, and then plorare, to weep, to cry out loud. So, enough. I hope the video was good and not deplorable. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Deplore, deplorable.